We'll guide you through how to add a pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheets. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Sheets. And so you're working on a sheet where you want to go and have a pop-up calendar date picker. This is really convenient for easily going and selecting a date instead of going and typing it in. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So there are different ways in which this can be done. So you can go and watch this full guide and go and decide what you're looking for. So any further ado, let's go and get started. So for the first way, you can go and select the cell you want to do this with. So I'm just going to go and type in date at the top here. I'll make it bold and then click in the cell we want to have the date. For the first way, type in the email @ symbol or sign. So I can go and hold shift and press that key. And then what you want to do is go and type in date, like so, and select this top option and click there. And a picker is then going to go and pop up, as you can see. Now, this may not be quite what you're looking for, don't worry, but this is just the first way. I could select the 10th of June, let's say, and it'll then go and add in the date there, like so. That's the first way. But I'm going to give you another way now. So what we're going to do is we're going to make another column. Now what we're going to do is go and select the cells where you want to go and add the picker to. So I could click, hold, and drag. And I want to do it with these cells here. So they're now been selected. Now come to the top left of Google Sheets into the top row of options. And what you need to do is go and find the option for data and go and click there. Then you can come down the list and what we're looking for is the option data validation. And you need to go and click there. This then opens up over to the right and you want to press add rule at the top. Where it says criteria, you can click there. And then what you need to do is you need to go down here and you can go and find the option for is valid dates and you can click there. Then what you want to do is you need to go and select the option, reject the input, and you can then go and press done. Then what you can do is you can just go and click on these normally, but what you need to do is go and double click on it and the calendar then goes and pops up and you can go and choose the date. So I can go and select the 8th of July, and there it is. And that applies to all those selected ones. So I can double click here, and I can then go and choose the date that I want. You go and get the idea. That's it. Hope if you helped this video, you managed to go and add it in. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more guides.